seneng banget dia guys.
Kok di kotak?
Iya, gue beli
Satu,
sepizza.
Belum main pizza.
sabar dulu, sabar. Sabar. Camping.
Hati-hati ya, Gil.
Cukup.
Can we skip to the good part? If there's a good part, then
Gila, jam 10 nih kita belum makan. Masa semua kali ya?
I napped on campus and I smoked at dances, but it didn't feel so great. If you put this scene on a movie screen, is it called a happy end? If the word gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. So can we skip to the good part?
Martabak.
Ampun aku.
Sampai mati.
These things take time. Mom and dad, they have a good life. But what am I gonna do with mine?